Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the network's pulse check, advanced performance monitoring. Hey network fam! Today, we're not just checking if our network is alive, we're checking its pulse. Like a doctor doing a full physical, we're diving into advanced performance monitoring. Get ready to turn your network into a finely tuned racing machine. Remember when we just checked if the lights were green? Cute, but in a data center, on doesn't mean optimal. Imagine your car is on, but sputtering and slow. Advanced monitoring helps us find those invisible roadblocks and make sure our network isn't just surviving, but thriving. Okay, Dr. Hat on. We're looking at latency, how long it takes for a packet to travel, like waiting for pizza delivery. Jitter, the inconsistency of that travel time, like your pizza arriving at random times. And packet loss, when a packet just poofs, like your pizza never showing up. Plus, we'll peek at bandwidth and throughput. How do we get all this juicy data? We use special spies. NetFlow S-Flow is like a traffic cop telling you who's going where and how fast. SNMP is like asking devices, hey, how are you feeling? And IPSLA? That's our network running little stress tests to measure performance between points, a network. Personal trainer. Basic monitoring? That's reacting when things break. Firefighting. Advanced monitoring? That's seeing the smoke before the fire starts. We set thresholds and alerts. If latency spikes, bam, you get an alert. You're a network ninja, preventing problems before they even become problems. Imagine getting a million numbers. Overwhelming, right? That's why we use awesome dashboards. They turn all that raw data into beautiful graphs and charts, showing us historical trends. It's like having a crystal ball, but for your network's future performance. Let's say Bob from accounting complains his calls are cutting out. Instead of guessing, we check our advanced monitoring. High jitter and packet loss on the VoIP VLAN? Aha! We found our culprit. Advanced monitoring helps us diagnose issues fast and precisely. No more blindly poking around. Advanced performance monitoring isn't just about fixing things. It's about optimizing, understanding, and turning your network into a smooth, efficient masterpiece. Keep exploring these tools, keep practicing, and you'll be the network whisperer in no time. What advanced monitoring tools have you used? Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.